Well, usually to make it easier to view and check PowerPoint files, we can change them into PDF files. However, we don't change all slides into PDF files, only a few slides. To change them is very easy. Friends, go to the File menu, then select Save As. After that, friends, determine the storage location for the changes later, then change the file name, then in the Save As Type section, friends, change it to PDF. Next, select Options. Now in the Range section, there are 4 slide setting options. If you want to change all PowerPoint slides to PDF, select All. Meanwhile, if you want to change only one selected slide, then friends, select Current Slide. Then to change several consecutive slides, select Slides. Then friends can select Selection to change several slides that have been previously selected. After that, click OK to save the settings, and click Save to continue the process of changing to a PDF file. Well, how about it, friends, is it easy? Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.